Welcome back to Demold. The Seahorse, painted in every colour of the Let's Resin powders that I own. Let's have a look. I hate it when people take forever to demold something. They're like, oh, I must do this last little bit. Oh, another bit. But no, we're going to go right in for it. Can't see any overpour, which is really good, so I don't have to do any deburring. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Wow. How cool is that? There's a bit of overdone here. Oh, there's a bit of overpour there, look. I just need to deburr that. Look at that. Colours. Oh dear, I don't know what went on there. Oh, there are some overpours here. What do you reckon? I think, was it this bit here? So there's something in this part of the mould here. There's nothing there I can see that would cause that. Never mind. I like him. Let me know in the comments. What do you think? Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.